Uh, Good evening, everybody. So, Creative Quest RN Talks is live today, and our jury today is Dr. Shefali Gupta. And Dr. Shefali Gupta is a multi talented lady. She is a proud Army officer's wife, an educationist. She is a student counselor in ULB and a freelance writer in Indian Observer, and author of Inspirational Educationist Radio Dwarka, resource person in Delhi University, guest speaker in MyFM, teachers trainer in AVM, content writer, motivational speaker, and lots more. अगर मैं उनका शुरू कर दूंगी आपको बताना तो I will run short of time actually. So the only thing I can tell you is I'll leave a little bit for her also to talk about herself. And she is also a star of Corona Warrior for her outstanding contribution to the society in 2020. And the rest she can tell you, being an army officer's wife. I'm sure you are going to love her on the screen. So, Mrs. Shefali Gupta, I can't see you actually. Good evening, Nidhi. Good evening. Uh, let's see where she's gone. I can't see her. She's anyway. Till the time she joins me, I'll tell you something more about her. She has been awarded regularly by various organizations, and few of them are mentioned here. Like she's also got Abraham Lincoln Shiksha Society Award for inspiring youth to learn and grow, and GAIIM Award for constant endeavor to help drive insights in the field of education in 2015, and NNP Academy Award for outstanding contribution to the society in 2014. So I'm sure you're going to love her on screen. And Mrs. Shafari Gupta, you were here with me, but I can't see you now. So can you please rejoin me back on screen? Uh, am I audible clearly? Is the voice quality fine over there? I can see lots of good evening. Sonali Jain has joined. Sham Agarwal ji has joined. Shafali ji, yeah, now you are there. Okay. And you are going to be on air. So good. Welcome, Shafali ji.
Thank you so much. Can you hear?
Yeah,
Am
I
I
can hear you
audible?
now. Yeah, I would
Okay.
request the guest if you can all hear Shafali ji very clearly. Please give us a thumbs up sign so that we know that you can hear her properly, because we've been facing lots of sound issues with the internet and IPL
Finally.
going on. Truly, Shefali ji, I have been literally harassed by that for the past 2 days. बहुत
In
दुखी हुई हूँ.
pandemic, Ranjita, in pandemic, this thing happens. These are technical hits which takes place actually.
Yeah,
So we
when I'm
all
alone,
understand.
if I am alone, it doesn't matter. But actually, so many people who are actually waiting and they're pinging me, "Ma'am, कहाँ हूँ, कहाँ हूँ," and I can't find कि आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है. So I have introduced you. अब आप थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताएं. And we have audience over here who is from UAE, and they are from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and also from UP, and there are about 30 odd states who have joined us over here, and about more than 32 schools children who are here. So we will be going bilingual for especially the Chennai, they're little weak in Hindi. So हम bilingual चलेंगे ताकि उनको भी समझ में आ जाए and यहाँ पे भी आ जाए. So stage is all yours. Please
Thank
start.
you. Thank you so much for the lovely introduction. And a very good evening to everyone, all the participants, and everyone who is watching our show. First of all, Ranjita, thank you so much for inviting me as a jury. And it's a wonderful platform for all the students and everyone out there, all over the world. And it is basically to unravel the creative and exceptional talent of students who are willing to participate and just rock the floor. Guys, I just want to introduce myself. I am Dr. Shifali Gupta. I am the jury for clay
Play model.
modeling, and I just want to let you know what is exactly clay modeling and what is the actually criteria on which we will be judging you all. So I think Ranjita, I should first share the criteria so
Yeah,
that they
first
know.
we start with criteria of judgment so that our participants know exactly on what basis we are going to judge them, and accordingly they can make their
Absolutely.
videos.
Done. So, my criteria for judging will be on a few points. Number one is the context, on which context you are making your article or you are forming your clay article. So, the context should be absolutely clear in your mind. Next one is clarity of intent. The object should have some purpose, right? So, we will be looking for that purpose too. Then next is the effectiveness of design, how impressive the design is. Because normal clay everybody can make, but when you are entering in a national level competition, then the standard is little bit, little bit
Higher.
higher, I should say. So we want more creativity from the participant. That's why the effectiveness of design is more important. Then we will look for the use of material, how you have used your clay with the other materials so that the design has really come up well, and immediately it's clicking our jury mind, right? Then the level, although I don't believe the difficulty level in this, because a new learner may find it very difficult, an old learner may find it very easy, but
True.
we will make a combination regarding this, and we will surely be absolutely partial about the creativity part in this. Then the craftsmanship, how much carving have you done in your clay, how effectively you have used all the tools in your clay. So these things we will be uh, actually judging your competition. And since it's a national level competition, and as you said, from Dubai also some participants are there, from Chennai, it's from all over the world. So we are looking forward a great creative quest 2020 from RN Talks.
Same here. I'm looking forward to, and this we have so many participants, and they keep on asking me. One query I had got about the type of clay they want to use. Like it
Absolutely.
should be plasticine type of clay, or some of them are there who actually use that clay wala clay
Yes,
on
yes.
which you can paint. So
Correct.
for the clay modeling as well as for origami, I have allowed them because some intricate designs. Obviously, for the competition, they are going to make intricate designs, which is
Yes,
but
very
natural.
true. Very
So
true.
actually, I had given them 5 minutes earlier. Then I got queries कि मैम 5 मिनट बहुत कम है ऐसे रहोगे 7 minutes I give you. Then some called me कि मैम हम क्ले से कर रहे हैं वो प्लास्टिसीन वाला नहीं है दैट क्ले सो
Got it.
मोल्डिंग में और उसमें टाइम लगेगा तो कैन वी हैव
I
अ
will
लिटिल
let
मोर
them
टाइम
know.
सो आई
Yes, I
टोल्ड
will
देम
let
ओके
them know. Yeah,
हाँ
I'll let
so
them
I
know
told
each
them
and everything about it. What happened if a child is making a clay, it's different. If an adolescent is making a clay, it's different. If a professional is making a clay, it's different. So I will discuss each and everything in detail with all the participants, so that, and careers also in this field I'll discuss later on, so that
right
they
ma'am
are thorough with clay modeling, right?
right
So first I will start with the clay and modeling. So I'm starting with clay, right? We have few characteristics of clay. Any clay which you are using it has got some specific characteristics. Like one clay is which is water based clay. बहुत जल्दी ये ड्राई हो जाता है, अगर आप सुखाएंगे इसको तो बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो जाएगा, जिसमें आपको इमीडिएट रिजल्ट चाहिए होता है ड्राई करने के लिए. सो यू कैन यूज दीज काइंड ऑफ क्लेज इन दैट. इसको हम WED क्ले भी बोलते हैं, बिकॉज इट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय वॉल्टर ई डिज्नी. अपने डिज्नी लैंड में ही यूज्ड ऑल दीज क्ले पार्ट्स इन दैट. सो दीज आर बहुत वेरी क्विकली ड्राइड अप, so that you can make your object in a very fast mode. You can conveniently place one object to another object, because when we mix two clays, then one dry and one little bit oil based always go together well. So that's why these are water based clays. So it is good, but it dries quite fast. Then, as we say in water-based clay, we have air clay. You know, you require a particular amount of air to dry it. It should not be too dry, otherwise the cracks will form. It should not be less dry, otherwise it will not dry up at all. So you should know how much air it is required. It's a science. It's an art also and a science also. So you should know how to use your clay in your modeling. So simple, इसके लिए हमें किसी भी बहुत ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स की जरूरत नहीं होती है. आप रोलिंग पिन ले सकते हैं, नाइफ ले सकते हैं, घर में जो नाइफ होता है, ऑल दीज हाउस होल्ड थिंग्स भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. स्पेशल टूल्स की इसके लिए कोई बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है. Then we have oil based clay also, where in a clay you have little bit of oil added, which doesn't dry very easily. These clay are used for the storage. आप बहुत टाइम तक इसको स्टोर कर सकते हैं, so that the upper base is never. आपने देखा होगा when you need a floor, then वो ऊपर से एक dry layer आ जाती है, इस पे वो problem नहीं होती है डो में. Easily you can use it for any article later on also. So these clay are reusable clays, so आप उसको रख सकते हैं. Then in this category we have plastic clays. Plastic clays is like we require clay, oil and binder for these clays, right? So you can use it it doesn't stick in your hand because the name says plastic, so it will not stick in your hand easily. You can remove this and you can use this. Then we have polymer clay, epoxy clay, which are actually used by the professionals. So later on in life, when you are taking some good professional advices, then you can use all these kind of clays. Then we have dough clay. What is this dough clay? Dough clay is very easy to use, fun. आजकल पेंडेमिक में most of the schools are using this because हम इसको घर में बना सकते हैं. We require only oil, water, cornstarch, flour, or cream of tartar in case if you want. Otherwise, without that also, it works very nicely. And you can
So
make n
people
number of
don't
objects
need
with
to
this.
go
It is
out.
not harmful at all. It's very easy to make. So घर में भी आप इसको बनाकर and you can use, अभी I was taking a webinar in some of the schools. I take student counseling in all the colleges. So in school, once I was invited, they asked me, मैम हमारे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, उनको हम कैसे क्ले से कराएं, बिकॉज घर में रहते हुए हम उनको मार्केट नहीं जा सकते हैं, वो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक, रंजीता. सो देन आई टोल्ड देम कि उनको इस तरह से आप इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हो, घर में ही आप अपना क्ले बना सकते हैं. सो
सही है.
इट विल बी हाँ, इट विल बी वेरी कोई हार्म नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, आप आराम से बनाइए और बहुत
एंड
सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स
ऑर्गेनिक
इससे यूज कर.
ऑर्गेनिक, कोई केमिकल नहीं है, बच्चे को कोई तकलीफ नहीं है.
Absolutely, absolutely. Just no issue. You can just go ahead with this dough clay. That's why we call it domestic clay, because
ट्रू
there
ट्रू.
is no, there is no precautions which are required in this. कोई heat नहीं करना, कुछ गरम नहीं करना, ceramic की तरह कुछ नहीं करना. Just make a dough. Let the child use their imagination and enjoy it. And then we have ceramic clay. Ceramic clay is generally used by the professionals. आपने देखा होगा ceramic crockery आती है, right? एंड सेरेमिक आर्टिकल्स आते हैं मार्केट में. देन इसमें भी बहुत सारी कैटेगरीज होती हैं, जैसे अर्दन वेयर होता है, देन वी हैव स्टोन वेयर, वी हैव बॉल क्ले, देन वी हैव फायर क्ले. सो ऑल दीज वेराइटीज आर यूज्ड बाय द प्रोफेशनल्स. बट फॉर चिल्ड्रन, yes, definitely we can go for light ceramic clay which doesn't require any fire to make it settle. Okay. Then it comes the paper clay also. Paper clay is fun to use. It's just like, you must have seen origami, you must have seen all those paste which you make with the paper. So just pani mein dala, thode dinon tak rakha and your clay material is ready. So you can use all these things for your dough. So these are actually characteristics of clay. According to your article, you decide which clay do you want. Because
Right.
professional level is different. Adolescent, if they are making for some projects, it's different. If you are making as a hobby, then it's different. If a child is using, it's different. So you see who is using and just then select it according to their characteristics about the clay.
Right.
Now,
Ma'am,
clay we have, Ranjita, the clay we have already done. Now, modeling. We have used two words. Now, what is modeling? clay modeling में modeling is an additive technique, where a soft material that is highly malleable, like clay, is made into model. Right, understood.
हाँ
So
जी.
the model is built in shape to create beautiful and detailed structure. कोई आपको बहुत ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपके पास एक आइडिया होना चाहिए. गो विद दैट, प्रॉपर टेक्निक्स को यूज करिए, प्रॉपर सुटेबल क्ले को यूज करिए, एंड योर आर्टिकल इज गोइंग टू बी absolutely marvelous, and we are looking the marvelous and attractive article in this competition too. Right, Ranjita? I hope the
Very true, very true.
participants are clear about it.
अच्छा, एको one more thing I wanted to tell over here कि anybody whose design is more than 7 minutes, say it's going up to 10 minutes, then they had asked me a query कि ma'am, can we shoot it in time lapse? So I told them कि 10 minutes का है तो ठीक है, आप टाइम लैप्स डाल लीजिए, but try to make it something which is like, not very heavy on the internet actually. Because a 10 minutes video, if they send it to me, then downloading is be a problem, playing is a problem, uploading is a problem. But if in case it is
Very true, very true.
and really an extensive design, I would say a very comprehensive design, फिर आपको पास
Very
टाइम
true.
लैप्स के सिवाय कोई ऑप्शन है नहीं. So that time lapse it will at least come down to 7 to 8 minutes. So here I would like to tell
That's
you
true.
that if you are doing it in time lapse, then please don't speak. Because जब आप टाइम लैप्स में फास्ट फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है and जो
That's
आवाज
true.
होती है
That's true.
करके जाती है, and that looks quite ugly. So अगर आप टाइम लैप्स में शूट कर रहे हैं तो बोलना नहीं है, please do not speak, then just shoot it in time lapse. One more
Absolutely.
thing
And
is
you know,
क्ले मॉडलिंग के क्रिएटिव, मेरी हिंदी थोड़ी वीक है, प्लीज पार्डन मी, स्किल्स कुछ डिफरेंट बना सकते हैं आप, बिल्कुल डिफरेंट बना सकते हैं, देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम.
absolutely,
इट इज
at the end of
क्रिएटिव प्लेटफॉर्म. आप बताइए, है
Bilkul.
ना?
At the end of this program, Ranjita, I will show them few articles. The creativity they can just make according to that. I'll just show at the end of this program. Once we will finish our conversation, then I will show them some article also. Ki how
Okay.
much creativity can be involved in this, right?
And one more
And
parent has
sabse
asked,
pehle when they are going to make any article for the competition or anywhere, wherever they are, they should know how the workplace should be. You are an artist if you are doing a clay. Already an artist. When you touch a
right,
clay, you are an artist because things are in your on your finger. जो आपकी फिंगर से मैजिक निकलेगा उसके लिए आपको वर्क प्लेस बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज्ड चाहिए. You should put a sheet or a polythene sheet or a newspaper something to save your table from the clay color or so, right?
right,
Then you keep your colors also organized on one side, keep your all tools, which I will discuss a little later, tools also on one side. Then you can organize your table workplace in such a way so that everything is handy, and take out your clay at the end. I always tell my students also, because clay has a property of some clay they dry fast, some clay they form little granules in them. So to
right.
avoid all these things, you should first organize your workplace properly, and then at the end you take out your clay so that things are ready. And योर जैसे आप पेंटिंग में आप जिसको बोलते हैं ना बैकग्राउंड, आप पहले बना लेते हो, कोई पेंटिंग बनाते हैं ना, तो यू मेक फर्स्ट योर
रफ स्केच, हाँ जी, हाँ
बेस ऑफ
जी.
द पेंटिंग. सेम वे, सेम वे वर्क प्लेस इज योर बेस ऑफ क्ले. सो आप उसको इतना साफ सुथरा ऑर्गेनाइज रखिए सो दैट आपके माइंड में इमीडिएटली कोई आइडिया आता है तो यू डोंट हैव टू लुक फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग कि अच्छा ये कहाँ रखा है ब्रश, ये कहाँ रखा है. एवरीथिंग शुड बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन योर वर्क प्लेस, राइट? So I believe organization and discipline is, as it is very important for all the participants and everyone, for the students also.
राइट मैम, एक क्वेश्चन आया है, कैन द किड्स यूज फेविक्रिल मॉड्यूलेट?
Absolutely, you can use any color whatever you want. Clay has got this property to absorb anything, so you can easily use whatever color you want. The mixing of color has to, you have to be very particular about mixing of color, because there is no eraser in this.
Right.
So be very particular what
One
kind
more
of color.
question. One more question is there, ma'am. Will you keep in mind the age of the kit too while deciding the winner? For that, Shefali ji has already told in the beginning, I believe thoda sa late join kare hain, that the decisions since is the jury criteria of judgment, she had already told that the decision will be based on the age and the category in which the child is falling. So the category of मैं आप सबको भी बता रही हूँ फिर से that when we send the videos to the jury, the category of the child is also going along with the video so that the jury exactly knows
Okay.
whether the child is of 3 to 6 years of age or 7 to 11 years of age. So accordingly, the judgment will vary. So the judgment of criteria of 3 to 6 years will be obviously different from that of a child of 15 years. So
Very
डिजाइन
good.
का फर्क पड़ेगा. तो और बच्चे की एज ग्रुप इसीलिए हमने अलग अलग एज में बांटा है बच्चों को सो दैट जजमेंट में आप लोगों को एक फेयर डील मिले. सो मूविंग
Yes.
ऑन फ्रॉम
So
हेयर.
I would also like to, I would also like to say, Ranjita, to every all the participant, just don't bother about the age and any other aspect. You know, we are thoroughly into it, and we know the age is given by Ranjita, that this is the entry of this participant of this age group, right? So we are already into it. We will take good care of it. So just don't worry on these issues.
Thank you, Geeta Nagam ji. That is a beautiful compliment that you gave us. Both of you are fantabulous. Thank you very much. It definitely boosts our confidence when we have people like you joining us on our platform. Now, carrying it forward, Dr. Shafali, can you please tell us what type of tools do you think are necessary and what all can a child use to,
Geeta, your voice
better
is
his.
getting cut.
My voice is getting cut. Uh, Tools. What tools can we
Yeah, in
use?
between. Now it is fine.
Now it is fine. What tools can we
Yes,
use?
I will let everybody know. Yes, I have few tools here. You can just see these tools. I will let you know the use of these tools. Right. First, you know, we have different type of tools in this for different textures to come up neatly. The tools are to make it more attractive. So let's break these tools into some categories. Number one is wire tipped tools. Wire tip means ऊपर एक wire होता है इनके लगा हुआ, so that
Okay.
आप texture को shape कर रहे हो, extra clay निकाल रहे हो. So we can use all these wired tipped tools for these things. Now we have twisted wire also. Twisted wire मतलब एक wire है वो ऐसे ऐसे spiral में हो रहा है, right? So we can use those also. And basically it is to like have a surface to bend in the loop. Okay, understood. We have a wire on this and you are looping it out. And then we have guitar loop. We call it guitar. अगर खराब हो गया उसका जो वायर होता है हम उससे भी बनाते हैं. आजकल रंजीता, you know, we have ready-made tools. A beautiful kit of tools are available in all those for social media portals. So you can purchase the toolkit from there. Otherwise, हम अपने टाइम में जब बनाते थे तो हम tools अपने हाथों से बनाते थे. कुछ
True.
पेंसिल के ऊपर लगा लेते थे, कुछ हमारे ब्रशेस होते थे उनके ऊपर हम वायर्स लगाते थे. But nowadays, all participants are very lucky because they get everything ready the way I showed it to you. Then we have fine loops. Fine loops are absolutely clear loops. A big, a small, and सबसे छोटा वाला. तो आप किसी भी तरह उसको use कर सकते हैं. Then we have mini wire brush. Wire brush is like, I will just show you. It's like this. It has got brushes here. So छोटे छोटे वायर्स लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पर. इन वायर्स को आप वायर ब्रश की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं. फाइन. And
Right.
then we have ball and tools भी होते हैं, spatulas होते हैं, rubber tip tools भी होते हैं. I will just show you some of them. It is like these are called spatulas. These are called spatulas. You know, you can use it wherever you want to use. See, these kind of tools are called spatula tools. These are to scrape out, to take out the excess ceramic also. So these are very handy tools. Then we have, this is a spiral one. Spiral is you put inside and then you are taking like this kind of texture you can give. Or on the top also you can give this kind of texture. You just
Designs or
roll it like
textures.
this. Yes, different. You get with the tool a different kind of textures. Then this is a needle tool. A tool is basically for the for eyes, nose and बहुत बारीकियां जिसमें होती हैं उनके लिए यूज होता है. जैसे बालों का टेक्सचर देना है या किसी क्रॉप में फ्रिल्स को यूज करना है, आई लैशेस बनाना है. देन बहुत माइन्यूट आपको कोई डिजाइन क्रिएट करना है, इयर रिंग्स, ईयरबड्स, लाइक कुछ भी आपने पहना है या कुछ है, उनके लिए यूज होते हैं. सो दीज आर नीडल टूल्स. These are also 4 or 5. When you take a kit, you get all these kind of tools. Then we have these brushes. These brushes are also very handy to give a proper texture. A very nice, very easy to use, these brushes. Then we have a kind of knife tool. This is also
Carving.
basically a arrow. You are seeing a arrow image here. So you can just make like this. किसी भी चीज को प्रेस भी कर सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर से नीचे भी ला सकते हैं, and you can just give your texture to this like this. Okay, जैसे knife painting में होता है, you can use in the same way here. There are lots and lots of YouTube videos if you want to learn by heart this. Then we have all these kind of different type of tools. They are from both the sides. You have
Right.
different design this side also and here also. So these are few tools which you can get it from the market, and these are readily available. No need to make it. So I think if before making any object or any article, if you know how to use these tools, then these are going to be very
Very
useful for
helpful.
all of you.
True.
very it, you know, आगे के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहता है.
Ma'am, Dipti Raj ma'am is asking, kids in category 1, do you need to speak during making video? No ma'am, it's not at all necessary. थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल चुप रहना until unless आप इसमें हैं. Like I told you, टाइम लैप्स से बना रहे हो, थोड़ा सा बच्चा एक्सप्लेन करता है या बोलता है, थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन देता है, तो वीडियो थोड़ी और लाइवली हो जाती है. बट
वीडियो में, रंजीता,
हाँ,
वीडियो में जान लाने के लिए थोड़ा तो
थोड़ा
बोलना
तो बोलना
पड़ेगा.
पड़ेगा. बट एकदम तोते के जैसे रटा हुआ बोलना इज नॉट व्हाट वी एडवाइस. बट
अरे,
लाइक जैसे जैसे बच्चा कर रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलता रहेगा, नहीं तो वीडियो बड़ी मोनोटोनस सी हो जाती है और बच्चा डिस्कनेक्टेड रहेगा. सो फॉर द चाइल्ड, अगर बच्चा जैसे नॉर्मली भी वो करता है तो वो बोलता ही रहता है कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ. सो लैंग्वेज की कोई बंदिश नहीं है. बच्चा हिंदी में बोले ठीक है, बच्चा इंग्लिश में बोले ठीक है. इट इज लाइक वीडियो विल बी मोर लाइवली. बट अगर टाइम लैप्स में है देन डोंट स्पीक. Don't speak if it is in time lapse, and use time lapse only if it's a design that is exceeding 10 minutes. तब आप टाइम लैप्स में जाइए. अगर 5 मिनट के अंदर खत्म हो रहा है तो मत जाइए टाइम लैप्स से. फिर तो एक शुरू भी नहीं होगा और वो खत्म हो जाएगा, तो मजा आएगा ही नहीं हमारे को, कि समझ ही नहीं आएगा क्या बनाया आपने. फास्ट फॉरवर्ड का जैसे बटन दबता है, टाइम लैप्स इज इक्विवेलेंट टू फास्ट फॉरवर्ड.
करेक्ट, वेरी
एंड
ट्रू.
एक और हमारे पास आया था मैसेज, preformed flowers, leaves, etc. shape tools are available in the market. Can kids use that?
Pardon?
Preformed flowers, leaves, etc. and shape tools are available in the market. Can the kids use all that?
I think absolutely you are free to use, because the creativity should not stop. These tools are available, you can use, but we will see the creativity part also. Tools so you are using, it's okay, it's fine. But how much creativity is there from your part? That is also one of the criteria of judgment there. So you can easily use any tool, whatever is comfortable for your article. You must go ahead with this.
Ma'am, something about health benefits and process of clay modeling, if you could
Okay,
just throw a little light.
absolutely, Ranjita. जब भी आप क्ले बनाते हैं, so there are few steps you must take. One is roughing out. आपने अपने क्ले को कितना नीट करना है, कितना डो की तरह उसको बनाना है, उसको प्रॉपरली बनाना है थोड़ा टाइम देकर, so that completely granules नहीं आए हैं. It should be absolutely smoothy clay. Then only you will be able to make your article. After this, आप अपना क्ले को ऐड करने के लिए, कहीं आपको लगता है कहीं रह गया छोटा सा पोर्शन, कहीं किसी जगह आपको नई चीज कुछ ऐड करनी है, तो वो एडिंग ऑफ क्ले आल्सो यू कैन डू. रिमेंबर, if your one basic portion is done and dry, then only you should add. Otherwise it will not stick. So be very
Okay,
careful.
means we have two wet surfaces, then वो चिपकने में प्रॉब्लम करेगा.
बिल्कुल नहीं चिपकेगा, बिल्कुल नहीं चिपकेगा. ठीक
Okay.
है. देन रिमूविंग क्ले, इफ यू फाइंड कि ठीक है बाल बहुत ज्यादा हो गए हैं, किसी का आप बना रहे हो, फेस बना रहे हो, कुछ है, तो रिमूविंग के लिए भी यू शुड बी रेडी. आपके हाथ में है, ये बहुत इजीली हो जाता है. एंड देन एक मैन्यूवरिंग होता है विच इज एक्चुअली नाउअडेज पीपल दे डोंट यूज इट. हम बहुत पहले उसको यूज किया करते थे फॉर डिटेलिंग ऑफ खाली फेस का स्ट्रक्चर जब बनाते थे ना हम,
हाँ
रंजीता,
जी, हाँ जी.
then we used to use it. आजकल हमारे टूल्स इतने अच्छे हैं कि हमें इस टेक्निक की जनरली जरूरत नहीं होती है. देन वी हैव रीपोजिशनिंग. आपको लगता है आपकी नाक थोड़ी टेढ़ी आपने बना दी है, तो उसको सीधा कैसे करना है, दैट टेक्निक इज डिफरेंट. सो आपको रीपोजिशनिंग की टेक्निक को संभाल के टेक आउट प्रॉपरली एंड स्टिक इट ऑन अ परफेक्ट पोजिशन अगेन. इस प्रोसेस में आपका बेस गलत नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज
Right.
आपका मेन जो बेस बना हुआ है उसका, वो अगर गलत हो गया तो आप फिर उसके ऊपर स्टिक करने में आपको बहुत टाइम लगेगा. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल सिंस स्टार्टिंग. थिंक इन योर माइंड and then you go ahead with this ki, okay, we will make like this, steps will be like this, we'll color, give them these colors, make a soft copy of this. And then detailing में बहुत जाना है आपने, इसको finishing भी बोलते हैं. Once your article is ready, you are your best judge, you are your best critic. आप अपने को कितना क्रिटिकली जज करते हो, उस आर्टिकल को सामने रख के देखिएगा. टाइम फ्रेम है, just give 1 second to your article, कहीं कुछ रह तो नहीं गया है finishing में, and give your extra touch to that. Then it will add value to your article, and obviously you are going to excel if you will follow these steps also. Then health benefit which Ranjita you asked is like बच्चों के लिए अगर हम clay use करते हैं, so हम motor skills को develop करते हैं, हम उनके कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस को डेवलप करते हैं. आपने देखा होगा छोटे बच्चे को क्ले ला के दिया जाता है, तो कभी वो रेड कलर की फ्लावर्स बना देते हैं, कभी ग्रीन के बनाते हैं. तो इट्स उनकी इमेजिनेशन डेवलप होती है, उनका हैंड कोऑर्डिनेशन बनता है, उनका हैंड टू माइंड मोटर स्किल्स सब डेवलप होते हैं. सो हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स आर लॉट, एंड इन ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक तो हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स अमेजिंग बहुत हैं. आप सोच भी नहीं सकते इतने
आई थिंक साइकोलॉजिकल बेनिफिट बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है.
बहुत ज्यादा है. आपकी
मैम,
हॉबी
इसका करियर, हाँ, करियर के क्या इज कैन एनीबडी मेक अ करियर आउट ऑफ इट? आगे लाइक अगर बच्चा करना चाहे एज अ करियर, देन
रचिता बना सकते हैं. आपकी हॉबी है, आपने उसको डेवलप किया है, तो डेफिनेटली देयर आर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ करियर्स इन दिस. वन इज आप नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ डिजाइनिंग में जा सकते हैं. वहां पर आपको यू कैन टेक दिस एज अ सेगमेंट ऑफ योर पार्ट एंड देन गो अहेड विद दिस, right? Then you will be a professional designer. Then you can have a bachelor's degree in applied arts and design, and after that you can design, you can have your own design studio. You can be an assistant professor in any designing school. You can be a ceramicist, a model maker. Many queens भी आपकी जो बनती हैं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
So you can be one of you can start your own factory with this. You can have a ceramic factory with you. You can have you can be a ceramic engineer also, Ranjita. So there are n number of opportunities in this field. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम इसको खाली clay modeling बोलते हैं. धीरे धीरे अपनी
बिकॉज मोस्टली पेरेंट्स के साथ मैंने ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए पूछा बिकॉज कई लोगों को लगता है ना कि बच्चा कर रहा है तो उनको लगता है, गुड इवनिंग रंजीता जी, एंड कई लोगों को लगता है कि क्या है क्ले मॉडलिंग, तो क्या मिट्टी के साथ खेल रहे हो, मैंने
बिल्कुल
दे माने डिस्करेज किया जाता है बच्चे को, उनको लगता है कि आगे कोई फ्यूचर ही नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई
अभी
दिस क्वेश्चन
रंजीता
वाज
आप ऐसे,
आस्क्ड।
हाँ आप ऐसे सोचिए कि आपका जब आर्यन टॉक शुरू हुआ था, तो आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर द कर्टेन रेजर वेयर जो क्षितिज का एक इवेंट था उसमें स्टार्ट हुआ था। तो आई
हाँ
कैन
जी।
कनेक्ट, फिर आपने कितनी मेहनत की, यू आर हियर, राइट। तो क्षितिज से इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम आर्यन टॉक्स एंड नाउ यू आर हियर। सेम वे अगर हम कोई चीज शुरू करते हैं तो मेहनत, लगन और पैशन, तीन चीजों की हमें बहुत जरूरत होती है। अगर
ट्रू।
आपको क्ले मॉडलिंग को करियर बनाना है तो आपको उसी लाइन में सोचना है, फिर आप इधर उधर मत भागिए। तो इसलिए करियर बहुत है, अगर आप गूगल पे भी सर्च करेंगे बहुत मिलेंगे, कुछ मैंने आपको अभी अभी बता दिए हैं। और आप अपनी कंपनी खोलिए, उसके सीईओ आप हो सकते हैं, उसके लिए आप फ्लावर पॉट बनाइए, नेम प्लेट बनाइए,
एंड
कॉफी
आजकल तो
बनाइए।
स्मॉल बिजनेसेस बहुत ज्यादा मींस मेड इन
आज
इंडिया का इतना ज्यादा धूम है, सो
एब्सोल्युटली,
आई थिंक इट विल इट शुड गो ऑन वेरी फाइन।
absolutely. Now I am going to show some of the, this is also clay. It's a very simple, बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं है इसमें. It's a very simple art. Okay, this kind of three के set you can keep in your company so that people can gifting के लिए use कर सकते हैं. Then this is a napkin holder, right? So
ओके।
you can use these kind of also things. Just see,
हाँ,
right?
और
Then
ऐसी
we
चीजें हम
have,
बाजार से खरीद के लाते हैं, इतना पैसा देते हैं और यही
oh,
भूल जाते हैं कि घर पे बन सकती है आराम
घर
से।
पे बन सकता है. Then we have, fridge magnets. Things also you can use it. Then we have these kind of things also.
ऑसम ऑसम। ये
Then
तो
we
मैं
have
आपके
this.
घर आके उठा कर ही ले जाऊंगी एक दिन।
Anytime, most welcome. Anytime, most welcome. Then we make with clay Ganpati also, which is eco-friendly. You can use it in your home also. These are all with clay.
ओके ओके।
Okay. So see the detailings. Why I am showing these Ganpatis, because detailing is so beautiful. It's beautifully
यस।
done, and they have used extra decors also. कुछ डेकोरेशन है जो उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा भी
हाँ हाँ
किया
हाँ
हुआ है.
हाँ
तो
हाँ हाँ।
आपकी इमेजिनेशन कितनी क्रिएटिव हो सकती है. All these things you can see. This is also clay. I made it with a mold.
ओके ओके।
Okay, these are done with the mold. So and दिया, दिवाली आ रही है, दिया बनाइए. Then उसको डेकोरेट करिए. कैंडल्स भी आप बनाते हैं, उसके ऊपर भी सिरेमिक फ्लावर्स रख सकते हैं.
राइट।
And there is, I know one of my friend, what she does it, she gets clay from Australia. Australian clay is famous for its smoothness and its softness. एंड
ओके
जो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कार्व्ड फ्लावर्स होते हैं उसके लिए ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्ले यूज होता है. सो अगर आप ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्ले को यूज करते हैं, सो आप सडनली फील करेंगे कि आपका आर्टिकल इतना खूबसूरत बनता है कि आपको विश्वास नहीं होगा. आई हैव मेड फ्लावर बास्केट्स बना के लोगों को गिफ्ट किया है. एंड वो क्ले ऐसा होता है कि वो वाला क्ले आपका कभी भी आउट ऑफ फैशन नहीं होगा, कभी भी खराब नहीं होगा. एंड पेस्टल शेड्स यूज करते हैं हम, जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्ले होता है उसमें. It's
ओके
very expensive, no doubt, very expensive. But later on, slowly, when you will build up your passion, then you can use different types of clays which are available right now in India also.
ओके
Later, I will share, Ranjita, with you the sites where they can go and see the articles. There is a girl who does it. They were posted in Australia. They learned this art from there. They are now in India running a beautiful startup here, and it's famous all over India and world. I'll share that site later on with you. Any
हाँ मैम,
participant
यू कैन
want?
शेयर दैट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन because those who have not been able to come over here, and
Share
also
with
we'll put
you.
that up in the website.
Okay, I
So
will share, Ranjita. I will share with you so that later on you can put it there. Fine,
right,
website पर. Because जितना आप videos देखेंगे, जितना आप लोगों को बनाते हुए देखेंगे, उतना आपको टेक्निक्स पता चलेंगी। कभी कभी
Right.
हम आर्टिकल को देखने के लिए नहीं हम वीडियोस देखते हैं या सुनते हैं, हमें उनकी टेक्निक्स देखनी होती है। आजकल क्या है रंजीता, एक डेकोपास चला था, उसमें हम लोगों के टाइम में हम उसको कोई भी फोटोग्राफ को लेके उसको घिसते थे, फिर उसको चिपकाते थे। आजकल डेकोपास नैपकिन्स आ गए, आपने बाहर से वो खरीदा है, उसको लगाया, चिपकाया, हल्का फुल्का किया एंड इट इज रेडी। So, some things gives you immense satisfaction when you make it yourself. Always
Very
remember,
true.
जिस चीज में आप मेहनत करते हैं दिखाने के लिए नहीं, आप अपने सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए मेहनत करते हैं, उस चीज में आपको एक अलग ही खुशी मिलती है। हमेशा याद
Correct.
रखिएगा, अगर आपका पैशन है और आपने अपने लिए किया है वो चीज, वो आपको वो सेटिस्फेक्शन भी देगा, उस चीज में पूरी तरह से आपको हैप्पीनेस मिलती है। एंड पेंडेमिक टाइम में दिस हैप्पीनेस इज रिक्वायर्ड।
True. Very true. चलिए रोशनी जी हमको कह रहे हैं कि हमको वर्कशॉप रखनी चाहिए, तो हम आगे जरूर आपको तंग करेंगे.
बिल्कुल
एंड
एनीटाइम।
वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑन टाइम नाउ. अनदर jury is also lined up.
I will
So
end. I will end with one of the quote of somebody. Your life is a piece of clay. Don't let anyone else mold it for you. This is
very
my
true.
point.
Excellent.
So
Excellent.
again and again, keep trying, keep doing good work, be happy. Like Ranjita, you are smiling, so be happy always. Enjoy your life.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shefali Gupta. It's been a tremendous learning experience, and I'm sure अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो हम आपको वर्कशॉप लेने के लिए भी यहाँ पे इनवाइट करेंगे आगे. बहुत
Anytime.
तकलीफ देने वाले हम आपको. And you already gathered a lot of fans on my page over here. And thank you so much for joining us. And
Thank you
to
so
the
much.
participants, I would say thank you for joining us today. And we'll end the session now. And we'll be back. Creative Quest is going, Grand Talks is coming back with Miss Yati Punia in the next about 10 minutes. So please be with us. इसके बीच में आपको जो थोड़ा बहुत काम निपटाना है आप निपटा लीजिए, फटाफट काम निपटा लीजिए. And I want you over there. She is a dance expert and she is going to be telling you about all the mudras etc. about dance. So bane rahiye, and I hope you enjoyed this session and you'll be learning much more today in the next session. Till then, see you. Bye bye.